So what I usually do when I'm doing these top ends on these engines is I set it to top dead centre on the timing marks here, then I pull this off carefully. It's magnetic, so it takes a little bit to get off. Try and leave that pin in there so it holds the starter gear in. Just check your marks again. You can check there, and you can also check there at the top. This is spot on. So what I do is I jam a chisel in there. I usually put some tissue around it just to stop it from damaging the flywheel, but I forgot to then. So that just locks that in place then. So you've got less to worry about. And then you can remove the top off. So I'm just going to do that now. $12mm nut. So make sure you make note of your decompressor, but it's pretty easy to put back anyway, so just pull it free. Try and loosen the chain a bit. It's on there pretty tight. Don't give you much room to do all this lot, but so that's your gear off with your decompression weight, and then just keep the tension on the chain. If it falls down, it will come off the bottom. Put a timing gear, and you'll get lost in the bottom end, so you don't really want to drop it. So keep it tight, and then we're going to take the head off now. Okay, so I'm going to put the timing gear back on at the top. It's all locked solid down there still from the chisel, so no movement there. This can be a bit awkward, but it's not too difficult. So what I usually do is set this gear in the centre so it's out of the way. Get your timing mark at the top. Like that. And try and just get one tooth on. So I'm not in my usual position doing this, so it's a bit awkward. You have to keep this chain tight. And when you're in, put your decompression lever in there. So a quick check, make sure it's in line. Do your nut up, and just make sure your bottom hasn't moved. Which it has slightly, but only very slightly, and the top end's perfect. So that's all in time now. Can be a bit awkward, but you get used to it.